He was talking to me.
Monster truck time.
Okay, now in the picture, right? Let's hear it one more time from Matt May, you guys. Brand new car, sponsored by OK Auto Services in Willow Point. What a great, I love the way it says, honestly driven. Yeah. All right, let's hear it one more time for all those Crash guys. What a great night they put on.
Woo! The monster trucks. Let's go.
All right, we got one big feature for you, and then we're going to have an autograph session. Jeff, coming up for the autograph session? All right, you'll be there.
I can't do it. Uncle, are they still doing monster trucks? Huh?
Whoops, wall. Tell you what, a great bunch of people. All great race fans. All right, are you guys ready to say on the count of three, gentlemen, start your engines? 1, 2, 3. Monster truck, the finale. How many of you guys like camping? How many of you guys actually like camping? Well, our monster guys, they hate camping. See that motorhome? Say goodbye to camping. Just doing the safety checks right now. That's not camping?
You're weird.
Okay, so what's camping? Here, you can help me out here. So what is camping?
Camping in tents.
In tents. Is that tents in sleeping bags and sand and stuff?
Yes.
And like marshmallows?
Yes.
Okay. Well, see goodbye to motorhoming. All right, because the first racer in the last run. Hands in the air, you guys. He's got that brand new motor, and he says every time it goes on, it's got more and more horsepower. Now, goodbye to that kind of camping. Ooh, that finale, these guys are putting a great show on here for you. Get your cameras ready. This is the finale. Here we go. Cameras ready on that hill.
Thanks for watching, everybody on YouTube. Peace out. Bye.
Coming out here.